Hi guys, have a blessed night to everyone. So for tonight, I'm gonna show you the easy recipe in making leche flan. The ingredients are 12 pieces of eggs, 1 big can of condensed milk, and 1 evaporated milk. So i-separate po natin yung egg yolk. So kukunin lang po natin yung egg yolk lang. Then it's up to you guys if you want to use the white one in making merengue. So, okay po. So, paghahaluin po natin ang 12 pieces of egg yolk. Okay? Then, 1 can of the condensed milk and 1 evaporated milk. So, once we stir it properly, okay, so, pag na okay na ito, we need to add a few only few lemon zest, okay? Ang purpose nito para mabawasan lang yung sobrang tamis ng ating condensed milk. Okay, so hayanan natin muna from 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Once it's ready na, second step, gagawa tayo ng sugar. Okay. Bali, mas prefer ko yung susunugin natin yung sugar than making syrup. Kasi mas iba, mas masarap pag siya pag sinunod natin sa kalan. Okay. Okay. Hayaan lang natin hanggang melted yung sugar. So, guys, ang gagawin ko sa leche flan natin, hindi po siya steam. Ang gagawin po natin is, i-bake po natin siya. So, kung i-bake po natin siya, kailangan i-preheat muna natin yung oven natin, mga 10 minutes maximum. Okay. Nasa 340 degrees. Okay. Then, once na na-preheat na natin siya, pwede na natin isalang yung leche flan natin. Then, we need to set our timer for an hour. And then, kailangan nasa 118 to 120 degrees lang tayo para hindi masyadong maluto yung leche flan or baka maging tinapay siya. Of course, yung baking pan natin sa oven, kailangan meron siyang water. And then, bake lang po yan. Naka-timer po tayo for baking. Guys, madali lang itong recipe ito. Kaya ninyo to. Tsaka mas tipid budget tayo kung tayo mismo ang gagawa. Okay. Okay. So, i-add na natin yung mix leche flan. So, we need to stir it para hindi sumama yung lemon zest. Another purpose of lemon zest para maging mabango yung leche flan. And, ma-eliminate yung sobrang tamis ng condensed milk at saka yung sugar natin. Okay. So, it's done. So, isasala na natin for about an hour and 118 to 120 degrees. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you like my easy recipe for tonight. Bye!